I'm going to tell you about Power SCADA operation in 60 seconds. When a minute of downtime means financial loss, damaged reputation, or risk of injury, losing power is not an option. Operating your electrical infrastructure is mission critical, demanding a secure, dedicated, high-performance system. Power SCADA operation. Specifically designed for power monitoring and control. Avoid overloads, isolate faults, diagnose abnormal conditions, manage complex multi-source networks, and restore power quickly. Power SCADA operation is also built to address your energy management needs. Demand control, load shedding, power factor correction, cost allocation, and improve energy performance. From power control to energy management, its capabilities, comprehensive. Power SCADA operation, the premier edge control software of EcoStruxure Power. Simply the most advanced power monitoring and control platform in the world. And that's Power SCADA operation in 60 seconds.